in the insert tab. You can click any graph, for example here this one, this will be blank. Now insert, select data, and here you can see add, and here the name you can write for the, for example, sorry, this one, this name. Okay, you can delete it, select this one. Now the value you will insert like this. Again add the next one, and the data is this one, for example. Add another row, this one, and here you can select this data. Here you can see we added this row and select this data. Now it's okay. So here you can add, for example, you can change the chart type. For example, here we want to change it into bar like this. For example, we want this one. Now here you can see that the voltage, this value is very, this column has very small value voltage, so we want to change the axis, y axis, secondary axis. So how to change? Double click on this. When you double click on this, this will appear here, and now just select, for example, this small value. If you cannot select, no problem, you can change this data type. You can select it as here secondary axis. Okay, and then this also secondary. So now these two values, these two columns are here, and this VMIN, this column is this one, which is here. Now legend, you can put legend in the top, for example, and you can also change the color, for example, you want. The next one is, for example, you want to change color, and then change color also possible here like that. This one here, for example, this one, this you can change like this one. And the next one is you can access. Here you can see this one is VMIN, this value. You can write it here, Control A, VMIN, or unit, for example. And here you can see this is the loss reduction in percentage, both loss reductions. You can say loss reduction, for example, here. So here you can see this is the algorithm, and in this way you can draw the graph.